this is scary. Mama, see the shark?
Mm-hmm.
See the shark? I don't like sharks.
What goes on in that book? Can you open it up and read it? Tell me what happens in the story.
Mama, look, Mama. What happened? What happened for the fishy? Mama, the fishy got eat. The fishy got now. The shark will eat the fishy, Mama. Mama, look at this.
Mm-hmm.
Look.
Whoa.
Look, the shark got eat the fishy.
Is this one big or little?
Big.
Is this one big or little?
Little.
That's right. Let's turn the page. What happens in the next page?
Look, Mama. This is tacos. Scary.
Tell me the story.
Look, Mama. Behind. Another walk. You have to be quiet for the walk.
Turn the page.
Look at that. Look at that. They're fun.
What's going on that page? What do you see?
A shark in that bathroom.
That's the shark's best friend?
Yeah.
What do we see on the next page?
This shark said, I don't like you, fishy, no. And the fishy said, I don't like you, little shark. And I don't like you, little fishy. I like you, little shark. You're my best friend forever. And then the shark said, I want your best friend. And then he said, I don't want you, shark. You don't want me. You don't like me. I don't like you. And the fishy said, I don't like you, little shark. I don't like you, little shark. I like you, little fishy. I want to eat your belly button. Huh? Mama, the shark can eat the fish belly button. See my belly button?
I see that belly button. Can we finish reading the story? Tell me what happens with the fish.
Are we happy you? I don't know last page. I don't know what was in that page. Mama, look.
What's going on in that page?
I don't like you, little shark. I like you. Mama, this is too scary, shark. Mama, if we do another story for my